Welcome to UFO Seekers. I'm Tim Doyle, lead investigator, and I don't exist, or at least that's what Wikipedia wants you to think. Because if you go to their Roswell page, they don't have any of our research, which includes full-size radio-controlled aircraft being flown at Roswell Army Airfield. And yes, that's what you were just looking at, an authentic, real photograph of full-size radio-controlled aircraft being controlled from the Jeep. This is 1946, the year before the Roswell crash. And you won't see that on Wikipedia. And that's because there's a full-blown denial that our organization even exists. You won't even find it. That's right. Even though we have a USPTO registered trademark, service mark, Wikipedia still refuses to add UFO Seekers. And you know what? We're going to keep pressuring them. We're going to keep telling the truth. Hey, Wikipedia, drones exist. Drones existed in 1946. Do you know that? Oh, that's funny. Because your Wikipedia page on Roswell doesn't say that. It has alien autopsies, pictures of fake alien autopsies. It has books written by publishing companies and Hollywood movies that reference things or television shows, but does it have actual history? No, and that's what you're looking at. And that's why UFO Seekers is different. We're not like Hollywood or pages like Wikipedia controlled by Hollywood. We actually tell the truth, and that's why you should choose us as your alternative to the Hollywood military-industrial complex. Because why would Wikipedia deny that drones existed in Roswell? Why would they? To keep a narrative going. Why would Wikipedia deny that UFO Seekers exists? To keep a narrative going. And that's that the military, working with Hollywood, will give you everything you need. Don't go out there and look for the little guy. They're just gonna lie to you. They're gonna lie to you. They're gonna show you fake things. Oh, that's right, it's not fake. This is real. So Wikipedia, you can keep denying it. You can keep denying there was full-size drones in Roswell Army Airfield in 1946, while news journalists just yesterday and the day before are writing about autonomous F-16s. Are you kidding me? It's almost been, what, 80 years now? Okay, it's time to move yourselves to the future. Keep up with the UFO community, because we're way ahead of you. You may think that you can ridicule us, censor us, and shadow ban us into oblivion, but we're not going anywhere, Wikipedia. We're not going anywhere.